Consecutive numbers are numbers, right after each other. So if the first number was x, the next one would be x plus 1. Which of the following fractions can be written as a difference? That means subtraction. Let me change color. Subtraction of the reciprocals. Well, the reciprocal of x is 1 over x. And the reciprocal of x plus 1 is 1 over x plus 1. So let's get a common denominator of x and x plus 1 and see what we can find here. Are you okay with finding a reciprocal? The reciprocal of 2/3 would be 3/2. You just flip it. I'm sorry. Yeah, flip it. Okay, so my common denominator would be x plus 1. So I need to multiply this by x plus 1 and the numerator by x plus 1. So that gives me x plus 1 here. And for this fraction, I need to change it to be x plus 1. It needs an x. X times 1 is x. So keep that common denominator of x plus 1, and combine your numerators. And you're left with 1 over, because x's cancel out, x times x plus 1. Hope you can read that. Let me erase that, make it look better. Hold on. So that's going to be an x and an x plus 1. That's the form if you subtract the reciprocals of two consecutive numbers. Well, how do you get 24? 1 over 24 is either 6 times 4. Well, they're not consecutive. They're 2 apart. 2 times 12. Well, they're definitely not 2 apart. 2, 3. 3 times 8. 4 times, I've already done 4 times 6. So that doesn't